Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can generate the QR code of any web page in Google Chrome. Now, this trick is special because it does not involve any third-party applications, extensions, or any third-party website as well. It explicitly uses the Google Chrome method. So, let's see how to achieve this. First, let's open our Google Chrome. And now, let's open any random website. Now, for example, I want to generate the QR code of this particular website right here. Now, all you need to do to generate the QR code is simply right-click on any blank portion of the website. Once you do, you will see an option of Create QR code for this page. Simply click on this particular option, and here you can see that the QR code has been generated. You can either copy it or choose to download it as an image. Let's click download, and here you can see that the image has been downloaded. And you can scan it either from your mobile phones, or you may also choose an online QR code scanner to scan this particular image, and it will give you the result for this particular page. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.